Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V8 engine. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.